Hey, I'm Emily from Swine Life BBQ, and here is your Quick Tip Tuesday. I'm going to show you how to remove the skin off of a salmon. So first you want to start with a good flexible fillet knife. You're going to place your salmon skin down on the board. Start at the very edge and kind of work your knife slowly along the bottom of the fish fillet. You're going to kind of keep your knife pointed down so you're not getting a whole lot of that meat. There you go.